Shit. What time is it? Damn. Like I've been sleeping for years. Hey, yo, Mick, you in the bathroom? Hurry up, dog. I'm trying to get in. Yeah. I mean, I'm 20 years old, but I feel like I'm 80. Living so young, driving myself crazy. Waking up, simmer down. Light a blunt, blow the smoke and pass the shit around. Ashtrays in the bathroom, the bongs on the balcony. Windows up, the house smells like a felony. My Chuck Taylor habits got me spitting Converses. You're looking over shoulders like overalls and purses. Bad bitches went to school with me, but they used to act too cool for me. Now it's sunny this and I wake up with another text. I don't love them, I might wake up with another ex. Fuck it, I'm young and I'm flying through walls. I'm eating my insanity, the remedy's my all. So that's what I give it, boy. You can check the facts, and if money talks a couple months, and you can check my stacks. I'm good. This is breakfast talk, so I'm good. This is breakfast talk, so I'm good. Get your cereal and pour the milk on. Yeah, it's the Dean's List, boy. Yeah, let's go.
Fresh